Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're looking at one of the most complete action camera bundles you can buy right now, the GoPro HERO13 Black accessory bundle. If you're someone who loves travel videos, biking, vlogging, swimming, or anything action-packed, this bundle gives you everything you need to start filming right away without buying separate accessories. The HERO13 Black itself is GoPro's latest flagship camera, delivering ultra-sharp 5.3K video, incredibly stable footage with HyperSmooth, and much better low-light performance compared to previous models. The HDR processing has been improved, colors look rich, and the dynamic range really pops, whether you're filming underwater, in bright sunlight, or during evening outdoor activities. GoPro also upgraded the microphone system, so the audio is cleaner and less windy even in fast-moving environments. Let's pause here, because this bundle is popular not just because of the camera but because of all the included gear. You get 2 Enduro batteries, these last longer, charge faster, and work better in cold conditions. You also get the handler, which is a floating grip that gives you stable handheld shots and keeps the GoPro from sinking if you drop it in water. For mounting, GoPro added 2 curved adhesive mounts which are perfect for helmets, bikes, and other rounded surfaces. There's also a 64GB SanDisk MicroSD card included, which means you can start filming instantly with enough space for high-resolution video. And everything fits into the included carrying case, compact, organized, and travel-friendly. Whether you're an adventure lover, a content creator, or someone trying to start a YouTube channel, the HERO13 Black accessory bundle covers every common accessory you'd normally buy separately. From stabilizing shots to extending battery life to mounting on your gear, you're ready for any environment straight out of the box. If you're looking for a complete action camera solution with premium video quality and the essential extras included, this bundle is absolutely worth checking out. The Amazon link is down below in the description. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and follow Gadgetverse for more daily tech reviews.